An e-commerce store app running on an unpatched web server is an example of A. Architecture/design weakness. B. Risk acceptance. C. Vulnerable business process. D. Security through obscurity. The correct answer is C. Vulnerable business process. Which of the following violates the principle of least privilege? A. Onboarding process. B. Improperly configured accounts. C. Shared accounts for privileged users. D. Time of day restrictions. The correct answer is B. Improperly configured accounts. Which of the following answers refers the latest Microsoft proprietary implementation of the Challenge Handshake Authentication Protocol, CHAP? A. MSCHAP-v1. B. MSCHAP-v2. C. MSCHAP-v3. D. MSCHAP-v4. The correct answer is B. MSCHAP-v2. Which of the answers listed below refers to an obsolete authentication protocol that sends passwords in clear text? A. PAP. B. CHAP. C. EAP. D. MSCHAP. The correct answer is A. PAP. Challenge Handshake Authentication Protocol, CHAP, is a remote access authentication protocol that periodically re-authenticates client at random intervals to prevent session hijacking. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. What are the characteristics of TACACS Plus? Select 3 answers. A. Encrypts only the password in the access request packet. B. Combines authentication and authorization. C. Encrypts the entire payload of the access request packet. D. Primarily used for device administration. E. Separates authentication and authorization. F. Primarily used for network access. The correct answers are C. Encrypts the entire payload of the access request packet. D. Primarily used for device administration. E. Separates authentication and authorization. Which of the following answers refers to a radius alternative developed by Cisco? A. TACACS. B. Kerberos. C. SAML. D. TACACS Plus. The correct answer is D. TACACS Plus. Which protocol ensures the reliability of the Kerberos authentication process? A. EAP. B. NTP. C. IPsec. D. RTP. The correct answer is B. NTP. In the Kerberos-based authentication process, the purpose of the client's timestamp is to provide countermeasure against A. Replay attacks. B. Dictionary attacks. C. Birthday attacks. D. Downgrade attacks. The correct answer is A. Replay attacks. Assigning a unique encrypted key, called a ticket, to each user that logs onto the network is a characteristic feature of A. SAML, B. TOTP, C. Radius, D. Kerberos. The correct answer is D. Kerberos. Which of the answers listed below refers to a TLS-based directory access protocol? A. PPTP, B. NTLM, C. Kerberos, D. LDAPs. The correct answer is D. LDAPs. A series of computer networking standards used for implementing directory services is known as A. 802.11x, B. X.500, C. 802.1x, D. X.25. The correct answer is B. X.500. An authentication subsystem in which a single set of authentication credentials provides access to multiple systems within a single organization is referred to as A. NAC, B. SSO, C. RBAC, D. DAC. The correct answer is B. SSO. An authentication subsystem in which a single set of authentication credentials provides access to multiple systems across different organizations is known as A. AAA framework, B. Multi-factor authentication, C. Group-based access control, D. Federation. The correct answer is D. Federation. Which of the following examples meets the requirement of multi-factor authentication? A. Password and biometric scan, B. Username and PIN, C. Smart card and identification badge, D. Iris and fingerprint scan. The correct answer is A. Password and biometric scan. Authentication process can be based on different categories of authentication factors, including unique physical traits of each individual such as fingerprints, something you are, physical tokens such as smart cards, something you have, or usernames and passwords, something you know. Additional factors might include geolocation, somewhere you are, or user-specific activity patterns, such as keyboard typing style, something you do. Multi-factor authentication systems require implementation of authentication factors from two or more different categories. A. True, B. False. The correct answer is A. True. In the AAA security architecture, the process of tracking accessed services as well as the amount of consumed resources is called A. Authentication, B. Authorization, C. Accounting. The correct answer is C. Accounting. Which of the answers listed below refers to the process of granting or denying access to resources? A. Authentication, B. Authorization, C. Accounting. The correct answer is B. Authorization. Which part of the AAA security architecture deals with the verification of the identity of a person or process? A. Authentication. B. Authorization. C. Accounting. The correct answer is A. Authentication. Setting up hot and cold aisles in a server room allows for more efficient management of airflow. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. Which of the following answers refer, S, to the characteristic feature, S, of Faraday cage? Select all that apply. A. Physical security control type. B. Provides protection against RFI. C. Technical security control type. D. Provides protection against ME. The correct answers are A. Physical security control type. B. Provides protection against RFI. D. Provides protection against ME. The term Mantrap refers to a physical security access control system used to prevent unauthorized users from gaining access to restricted areas by following another person. An example Mantrap could be a two-door entrance point connected to a guard station wherein a person entering Mantrap from the outside remains locked inside until he/she provides authentication token required to unlock the inner door. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. Which of the physical security control types listed below provides isolation from external computer networks? A. Air gap. B. Protected cabling. C. Network segmentation. D. Hardware firewall. The correct answer is A. Air gap. A type of twisted pair cabling equipped with an additional protective cover that allows for reducing signal interference from outside sources and provides protection against eavesdropping is known as A. UTP. B. Coax. C. STP. D. Twinax. The correct answer is C. STP. Which of the following solutions would not decrease the risk of server downtime? A. RAID 5. B. Load balancer. C. RAID 0. D. Failover cluster. E. RAID 1. F. Backup generator. The correct answer is C. RAID 0.